What's up, monster makers? My name is Shar and I'm a professional special effects makeup artist. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this prosthetic creepy clown makeup. I did this makeup on my fiance for Spookalla in Ocala, Florida. We got to meet David Howard Thornton and Art the Clown in this makeup. It was so much fun. So enjoy the video. Bye! We're starting here by laying down his beard with Telesis 8 and layers of powder in between. I'm taking the foam latex prosthetic and fitting it to the face. I'm taking my Telesis and Telesis thinner and gluing down the prosthetic. While you watch the gluing process, let's talk about the company that made this video possible. Narrative Cosmetics is a professional-grade, production-ready, theatrical, and special effects makeup company. Their products are suitable for beginners just looking to get their feet wet and professionals with years of industry experience. They are constantly launching new products, and they also just recently started up a pro discount program. Thanks so much to Narrative Cosmetics for sponsoring today's video. Now I am taking a red stipple sponge on my tweezers with Prosade on it and stippling that around the edge of the prosthetic. I'm taking Prosade cream and a spatula and filling in any gaps to make a nice seamless blend to the skin. Again, covering that Prosade cream layer with a layer of stipple. Now I'm taking my Pax paint and a C sponge. I'll take this base layer of paint just beyond the edges of the prosthetic. Next, I'm taking my white Pax paint and stippling a layer of that over top of the red, being sure to allow the red to show through in any of the wrinkles and details. After I finished the base layer, I went in and powdered the whole thing with a translucent setting powder. Now it's time to move on to painting the details. Here I'm using my Narrative Cosmetics Master FX Cream Palette. Moving on to the next steps, here I'll be using my Narrative Cosmetics Clown White. I'm adding it on more thick in areas than others, using it in sort of a dry brushing technique so as to keep that detail that I've painted in underneath intact. Moving back to my Master FX Cream Palette, I'm maintaining those details and adding the teeth as well as deepening the shadows again. Using my Narrative Cosmetics Alcohol palette, and I will be spattering on some texture, grime, and a little bit of a fade in the neck area and hairline. To add a nice red sheen to the lips and nose, I'm using EBA the Blood, which is an alcohol-based blood that stays shiny even when it's dry. And that's it. Let's check it out.